another episode of Horsepower Cartel. Warming up the car right now. I'm about to go meet up with the boys. Heading out for a drive, late night drive. You know, it's been a while. Plus, I haven't driven the M5 in a couple of days. So, by the way, the Evolve headers are on, and it sounds fantastic. Stay tuned. And it is a beautiful night out. Of course, I got my settings on MDM. Still got the check engine light because race car. Actually, because of headers. The seatbelt lights there because I need to get a new seatbelt holder sensor or something. Passenger occupancy sensor. That's what it is. Anyways, on my way to meet the boys right now. You can just hear that beautiful V10 roaring like it should. And we got idiots on the road crossing. Woo, sounds so good. I don't know what it is about this city, man. It's way past 11 p.m. on a Tuesday night, and we got so much traffic around. Like, go home, guys. Man, the sound has just changed so drastically. Now it's sounding like a high-pitched sound. God, I miss that sound, man. Comment below. Let me know what you guys think about the sound with the Evolve headers. Getting on the link now. Just listen to this thing. Listen to these downshifts. So my boy Vikram, remember him? He owns that crazy Polo GT called the Mamba. He just pulled up in his M3. And right now we're just going to my buddy's parking. My buddy Joey. All the boys are there. Clyde, probably Zishan, and of course Joey. Hear the sound in the basement. Sounds so good. Here we are. Oh, they have a little photo shoot of the cars. Clyde, what do we have here?
We have it all!
This one, what is it?
Rolls-Royce Phantom. You know what I mean? This is Rolls-Royce Phantom, okay? Phantom is a tuning company for Land Rovers.
Zishan, really? Need to take your Snapchats later.
Is Zishan Khan in the house? Zishan Khan, you know him?
If you guys don't know, now you know.
He's a gangster. He needs love better.
Okay, so this is a Land Rover Discovery.
Phantom.
1990.
This is the 1991.
And it's tuned by, not Bauer, sorry, Phantom. I'm gonna forget.
Polo has done the engine and everything and suspension. Phantom did the body kit.
Oh wow, so there is a kit on this. Damn, Phantom badges.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a manual, nice. It's got a little screen too, what? Alpine? rolling out with the Ashton, beautiful car. You got to ride in that before, and the C63, which is about 800 horsepower, 850 horsepower, I don't know, but it's running a Y-Tech supercharger. Listen to that thing growl, man. It's a beast. Nice car. What's the retail on one of those?
Much more than you can afford.
It's the blue gang. Light blue, dark blue, and baby blue.
And of course, these big engines and these hungry monsters, these things are thirsty. Listen, I know that episode's really short. You know, I didn't get too much footage. You know, a lot of cops out tonight, you know, with the scenes going on in the state. But I'll show you know, some war zone out here amongst the parties. Cops, you know, cops everywhere. Look at them. They're just doing their jobs, you know, can't hate. Other than that, car sounded really, really fantastic. So just enjoy the rest of the video and some more orgasmic V10 sounds. And there's a VRS behind me. I don't know who that is. The sound is just fantastic, man. It sounds too good. Listen to this downshifts. Traction at all, man. The power gains after the new Evolve headers is just insane. Listen to those downshifts, man. That's what it's supposed to sound like. So right now I am running the headers without a tune. It's got a Eurocharge base tune on there, but it's not doing any justice. We need to get Yajur down to Mumbai to get a tune from E-Tuners. Just stopped by my boy's place, Arbab in Bandra. Best Arabic food in town. Forget what you heard. Y'all gotta come to Arbab and get some Lebanese food. Finally home. Long night, eventful night. Unfortunately, there was a lot of cops out tonight. We don't want to deal with all that problems. You know, we're law-abiding citizens. We don't want to cause a ruckus, and we don't want to give the authorities any trouble as well. Had a great time. I really got to drive my car, push it. All my friends got a ride in my M5 as well with the Evolve headers. Everyone loved it. They're equal length headers, long tubes. Waiting for Yajur to come from Bangalore, come back to Mumbai, tune my car. Maybe even do like a burble tune or a flame map. Who knows, a kill tune to make it go pop and bang. Hopefully E-Tuners can get it done. If not, I know they're gonna make me get some good power gains on my tune. Anyways, so we were at the BIC with the Speed Fest. Right now I'm gonna play the trailer for you. Will just got done editing it. So we're gonna be playing that for you. Please let us know your honest feedback. We're also gonna be posting the rest of the BIC video. As you know, it's a lot of work editing and stuff. And yeah, the BIC video will be up soon. Vlogging game ain't for everybody. Trust me, it might seem easy on camera. You know, just pick up your phone, pick up your camera, shoot. A lot of work, especially when you're traveling to different cities. A lot of money spent as well. I mean, flights, driving around, dinners, 5-star hotels. You know what, I'm just gonna shut up now. Enjoy that Speedfest trailer. Let me know what you guys think, and stay tuned to Horsepower Cartel.